Welcome to one more useful and interesting video. In this video, I am going to talk about Swami Vivekanand Merit Cum Means Scholarship. To get regular updates, please subscribe this channel and turn on the notification. First of all, talking about the program. West Bengal Higher Education Department provides Swami Vivekanand Scholarship to the meritorious students who scored at least 75% on the last board examination. This scholarship is known as Swami Vivekanand Merit Cum Means SVMCM Scholarship and formerly known as Vikas Bhavan Scholarship. The application process for SVMCM Scholarship is online. Swami Vivekanand Scholarship 2020-21 will be provided to the students who currently passed Madhyamik higher secondary examination or took admission on BTech, MBBS, Diploma, Nursing, MPhil, PhD, etc. courses. Swami Vivekanand Scholarship Information Chart. Scholarship name Swami Vivekanand Merit Cum Means Scholarship. Providing authority West Bengal Higher Education Department. Eligible courses HS, UG Honors, PG, Medical, Engineering, Nursing, Paramedical, Diploma and PG. Application method online. Application start for fresh or renewal 7th October 2020. Application last date December 2020 for fresh and July 2021 for renewal. Official website svmcm.wbhed.gov.in. SVMCM Vikas Bhavan Scholarship Eligibility. The complete eligibility guidelines for SVMCM Swami Vivekanand Merit Cum Means Scholarship. Eligibility for HS students. Students who passed the Madhyamik exam 2020 with at least 75% marks and took admission on higher secondary course in arts, science or commerce streams are eligible for SVMCM scholarship. Undergraduate students. Candidates must obtain at least 75% marks in aggregate. Students who are enrolled in the first year of undergraduate course in engineering or medical or general education or GNM nursing or paramedical diploma course after passing the HS examination in 2018 with 75% minimum in aggregate are eligible to apply for Vikas Bhavan scholarship. Students who are enrolled in the second year of undergraduate course in engineering on lateral entry basis after passing out diploma course in 2020 with 75% the minimum in relevant disciplines from the polytechnic colleges, Government of West Bengal will also be eligible to apply. Eligibility for diploma students. Students who are enrolled for the first year diploma or polytechnic course after passing out in Madhyamik examination 2020 or after passing out in VOCLET exam and took admission on second year diploma or polytechnic courses on lateral entry basis will be eligible to apply. Candidates must obtain at least 75% marks in aggregate in the qualifying examination for applying the scholarship. Eligibility for postgraduate students. Candidates must obtain at least 53% marks in honors subjects at the UG level in or 55% marks for graduation level engineering student in the year 2020 who are enrolled in the first year class of postgraduate course in general education or engineering are eligible to apply. Kanyasri K3 Scholarship Eligibility. Kanyasri recipients with valid sanctioned K2 ID pursuing postgraduate course in Science, Arts and Commerce stream from universities of this state in regular mode, not distance, must obtain at graduation level 45% marks in aggregate from institutions of this state in the year 2020 are eligible to apply. There is no need to submit income certificate and income affidavit in respect of Kanyasri applicant. Annual family income limit. Applying for this SVMCM Vikas Bhavan scholarship, students' gross annual family income does not exceed 2,50,000 rupees. If a dropout applicant of previous year selects 2019 as year of last qualifying exam, then an extra field will appear. The applicant has to enter a valid reason in that field for not applying for SVMCM scholarship in 2019. Swami Vivekanand Scholarship Amount. After applying this scholarship, eligible students will receive this scholarship amount on their bank account. Higher secondary, class 11th and 12th, rupees 1000 per month. UG Arts and Commerce rupees 1000, UG Science and Professional Courses 1500, PG Arts and Commerce 2000, PG Science and Professional Course 2500, UG Engineering or Medical or Honors 5000, Diploma or Polytechnic or Paramedical 1500 rupees per month. Swami Vivekanand Scholarship Application Process. Students can apply for Swami Vivekanand Merit Cum Means Scholarship by one method, online form fill-up. The complete online application process for SVMCM Swami Vivekanand Scholarship is described in this video. Follow these steps and apply for this scholarship. Online application process steps. Follow the step-by-step process to apply Swami Vivekanand Scholarship online application. The last date of online application is in December 2020. SVMCM Vikas Bhavan Scholarship online application process. Step 1. For online application of Swami Vivekanand Merit Cum Means Scholarship, visit the official application portal www.svmcm.wbhed.gov.in. The application must be done only through this website and then click on the Register Here button. Step 2. Now an information page will open. Read this information carefully and after that tick in the tick box and then click to the Proceed for Registration button. Step 3. From the registration category, choose the correct directorate as per your current course and then click on the Apply for Fresh Application button. Course name and directorate: Higher Secondary, Directorate of School Education; UG and PG General Course, Directorate of Public Instruction; MBBS Nursing or Paramedical or B Pharma, Directorate of Medical Education; Polytechnic, Directorate of Technical Education and Training; BE or BTech, Directorate of Technical Education. Step 4. After that, you have to register yourself on this scholarship application portal by providing your name, email, phone number, date of birth, etc. You also have to create a password which will require for login your dashboard. Step 5. After successful registration, you will get an application ID. This ID number will require to login purpose and other purposes also. Note it down for future use. Step 6. Now log in with your application ID and password to visit the dashboard. Then click on the Edit Profile or Application option to add your details information regarding this Swami Vivekanand Scholarship Scheme. Step 7. Now fill the complete application form with your qualifying exam details, current course, address, communication details, etc. And after that, upload your scanned photograph and signature to this website. Then click on the Save and Next for the next step. Step 8. Now you have to upload the following scanned documents to the online application portal for verification purpose. The document list is given below. Marksheet of last qualifying exam, admit card of last qualifying exam, income certificate, the first page of bank passbook, domicile certificate, voter ID or Aadhaar card, admit card of Madhyamik exam, online admission receipt. Step 9. After uploading all the documents, save it and then review your application form once again and then click on the Finalize Application option to submit your SVMCM scholarship application form. After final submit, you cannot edit your application anymore. Unlock from HOI end. After submission, there will not be any option to edit application details. However, if any modification is needed after submission, applicants may approach concerned HOI for unlocking the application. After that, they will be able to edit the application details. The complete application process for Swami Vivekanand Merit Cum Means Scholarship Vikas Bhavan Scholarship is online. No need to send any paper documents to anywhere. Just download the confirmation page of the application for future use. How to edit SCMCM application after final submit. If you did any mistake or upload wrong document on your Swami Vivekanand Merit Cum Means Scholarship application form, then your application may be rejected by higher authority. But do not worry, this year WBHED is giving a chance to students to edit or make correction their SVMCM scholarship application form after final submission. Just visit to the head of the institution of your institution, school, college or university and request him or her to unlock your SVMCM scholarship application. Must carry the application ID with you. They will unlock your application. After that, just log into SVMCM scholarship portal using your application ID and password. Change or update the wrong information and check the application form carefully. Now finally submit the application form. Important dates. Here is the list of important dates for WBHED Swami Vivekananda Scholarship. Online application start October 2020. Online application close December 2020. Scholarship distribution December 2020. Check SVMCM scholarship application status. You can check your SVMCM Swami Vivekananda scholarship application status online from the svmcm.wbhed.gov.in website. Just log into this website using your application ID and password. On the dashboard, you can find your scholarship application status and verification steps. You can also expect when the scholarship amount will receive on your bank account. Swami Vivekananda Scholarship Helpline. You may contact the Higher Education Department of West Bengal for more details information about Swami Vivekananda Merit Cum Means Scholarship at Vikas Bhavan, Kolkata, West Bengal. Contact phone number is given on your screen or send them email ID which is showing on your screen. At last, covering some of the frequently asked questions. When online application for SVMCM Scholarship 2020 will start? West Bengal Higher Education Department will start the online application for SVMCM Scholarship from 7th October 2020. Can minority students can apply for this SVMCM Scholarship? For minority students, WB government started a special scholarship section named Ekya Sri Scholarship managed by WBMDFC. They can apply for Ekya Sri Scholarship, not for this scholarship. If anyone passed the HS exam on 2019, can I apply for SVMCM Scholarship? Generally, students who passed HS 2020 exam are eligible for Swami Vivekananda Scholarship. If you dropped 1 year, you can also apply for this scholarship. But for that, you have to provide a valid reason at the time of online application. That too why you dropped 1 year. If anybody applied for Kanyasri Scholarship, can I apply for this scholarship? No, you cannot apply for both scholarship at the same time. You can apply for only one scholarship. How can I check my scholarship application status? To check your Swami Vivekananda Merit Cum Means Scholarship application status, visit the official website of SVMCM Scholarship and then log in with your application number and password. From the dashboard, you can check the scholarship application status. Next question. Do I need to submit the documents at school or college or university after online application? As per the official notification, no need to submit any hard copies of documents at the institutions. But many schools, colleges and universities are asking for the paper documents for verification purpose. So contact once with your institution. Next questions. When will I get the SVMCM scholarship amount? Generally, it will take 3 to 4 months to process the complete application. After that, you will get the amount to your bank account. Next, how can I modify or make corrections on my SVMCM scholarship application? After final submit, you cannot edit or modify your scholarship application form. To make any changes, you have to visit to your school or college or university and request them to unlock your application. After that, you can again edit the form. I hope that you like this video. Do not forget to subscribe this channel and share with your friends who need the scholarship. Thank you.